Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to create subcategories, I guess we're going to call it. Right now I'm in the process of building up my Shopify store. It can be a little overwhelming if you're not really sure how to navigate Shopify, so I figured I'd take you along with me to show you some things. And so what we're going to do is right now you can see that I have, these are my main categories in my navigation menu. I did create digital stickers in my previous videos, which you're going to want to check out because you're going to need this in order. You're going to need them in order to do this because you're going to need to know how to add a page. You're going to need to know how to, create collections for a little bit more organization, how to create a navigation menu, how to create the categories and the subcategories in order to create subcategories. So what we're going to do is you can see I have digital stickers right now under this. The only category there is beach. So say for my collections, I want beach, but then I also want viewers viewing my website to see that what's under beach. You are either looking at every product that's under beach, or we can go in and create subcategories to that. So I don't really honestly have another product that I can add to this. So we're just going to make it up as we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to our Shopify store. We're going to go to the left side panel where it says sales channel. We'll go to online store. And after we get to clicking on that, you're going to see the subcategory and it's going to say navigation. You're going to click on that. Once we click on that, it's going to populate this page. You're going to go to wherever you want to enter in your subcategory. And for me, it's going to be my main menu. You can see I already have my things listed, and we're just going to go to the bottom. Now, where I want to add my subcategory is I'm going to go to add menu item to digital stickers. And so it's going to be the same process of how we did the subcategory, but there's only going to be one little thing that's different. So we're going to go to add the menu item to digital stickers. Say I have my main theme is beach, but my individual category is going to be crabs. So it's beach themed, but specific to, crabs. That's what I'm selling under this subcategory. So you're going to search or paste a link. I would say do collections if you can. Um, and you can also do products individually or, whatever you choose to do. But for me, I'm just going to go with an individual product right now just because. All right, so I don't have something, so I'm just going to add this Blue Petal Dream Journal. And okay, so now you can see that I have this product listed under crabs. Now, right now, it is a subcategory of digital stickers. I need it to be a subcategory of beaches. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on the little 6 dots. You should have a hand that appears. You're going to click on it and you're going to drag it to your mouse to the right. And you can see we have that blue line with that white circle. You're going to want to make sure that it's lining up under those 6 dots. And we're going to drop it. Now, this is a subcategory of this subcategory. And so from here, you can skip that step and you can add more things into that subcategory. So I do like that, but you first obviously need to create that subcategory. So we're just going to save this and then we're going to hop on over to our main page and see how that works out. Okay, so now that we're over at our main page, I clicked on digital stickers. You can see that the beach theme is bold. That is our main theme, our main subcategory, not theme. That is the theme of the stickers. Sorry. So you can see that it is the main category. You can link, if you click on that, you can link it to all the products that are beach themed, or you can go to that subcategory and have things linked as the individual products or collections. So crabs. I mean, obviously this is no crab, but I clicked on it and this is the product that I linked to that category. And that is how you create subcategories in your Shopify store. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.